Hi everyone, we're going to go through installing the PureWeb React web client template here. Some of the commands that we're going to be using can be found on the developer resource hub, and so that way you don't have to try to follow my little screen. What I have to start with here is I have a project created in the PureWeb console, and I also have a Java model that's already uploaded and is currently available. Next thing I need to do is actually run the npx command to grab the template and put it where I want it to be. So create React app. The folder name is going to be my app, and then we'll target the correct template, PureWeb CRA template PureWeb client. If you watch in the tutorials folder over on my Windows Explorer, you'll see that folder get created shortly. This may take a little while. So there we go, there's the folder created, and this will take some time to pull down all the necessary packages and dependencies. And so what we'll do is we'll come back shortly. All right, so we can see here that the package is fully completed. It's downloaded. It's given us some commands here that we can use. Now, before we do that, we actually need to modify the app itself. So we need to add some configuration. I go into the actual folder and look in for the source folder here. I can find a file called client.json. We need to put in our project ID and our model ID, and optionally the version of the model that we have. So let's do that. We'll open it up with code. And you can see here that the template already starts with two of the pieces that we need. All we need to do at this point is put in the IDs. If I click over here next to the project name, there's some project settings right here. There's a little sprocket. I get a window. Project ID is right here. I can click the copy icon, and we'll go drop that into the correct spot. Of course, your IDs will be different. Now on my model, see, this one is available. I want to use this one. So I'll go into details and we'll grab the model ID here by just clicking the copy icon. We'll go back to code. We're going to drop that right here. All right, so I'm also going to add the version. Very simple. It follows the same pattern as the other ones. And I've also, don't forget to add that little comma there at the end so that we've got it. And now that that is all ready to go, I can talk to my project ID, my model ID, and target a specific version if I want. So remember, I put my web client into a folder. Change over to the correct folder, and then we're just going to run npm start. There we go. There we go. You can see that it initialized. We've got ourselves a play button. And if I click the play button, we will. Now we're running exactly the same thing as what we would be doing through our console. I can now interact with my game. That's pretty awesome. All right, that's it. When I'm finished with my client, hit Control C. Now I can update that, adding buttons or any kind of customization that we want to.